single stage air compressor with clearance volume. Write it. Very important. Single stage air compressor with clearance volume. Now the question mark, sir, what is the purpose of clearance volume, sir? What is the purpose of clearance volume, sir? If there is no clearance volume, guys, I tell you one thing. Sorry, at the end I will tell you, okay? That's very important, okay? Very important. Now we will derive. We'll move on to that, okay? At the end I will tell you why clearance volume is necessary. Really, which one will have higher efficiency? We will discuss, okay? We will discuss, okay? Now, I have to make the clearance volume. Now, this is not my TDC. Now, I have to mark my TDC. Now, I have to mark my TDC, right? This is our TDC. Got it? This is our TDC. Now, this is our stroke volume. What about this one? Clearance volume. Now, we know one thing. Only the piston reaches to only TDC. Amalya, in that the piston pogadu. Yes or no? This place piston will never move because of we designed TDC. Amalya, that space remains same. That space remains same. The piston will not move there. The piston will not move there. Got it? Understood? Now, what will the effect of work done? What will be effective on the PV diagram? See, the piston starts from where to where? From TDC to BDC. Now I have to change that. This is not my TDC on PV diagram. I am erasing this one. This is my TDC now. Got it? Clear? So actually, the piston has to start from here. The piston has to start from here. So let me erase this one, okay? Let me erase this one. Let's start from, because TDC, clearance volume, stroke volume. Got it? So the piston has to start from here to here. Now, normally suction will take place. Compression also will take place. Delivery also takes place till where? TDC. Till TDC. Understood this point? Suction stays from only TDC. Compression takes place till our designed pressure. Delivery also takes place till the piston reaches to TDC only. Remember, guys, very important. After delivery, what will be remains here? In the volume, a small quantity of air will be available. Amalya, if piston reaches to till here, the entire air will be delivered. Exhausted, delivered. But the piston moves only to TDC. But remains what will be there here? A small amount of air will be there. How that air will be? Normal condition or some other conditions? High pressure. Yes or no? High pressure. High temperature. Yes or no? It will be on high pressure, high temperature. Yes or no? Because this air remains on the place with delivery time. Only delivery time. So the pressure will be high. The temperature will be very high. After delivery, even though the piston starts from TDC to BDC, what will not take place? Suction will not take place. Do you know why? Vacuum will not be created. This valve opens only when vacuum is created. Is it right? The inlet valve opens only, vacuum will be created. This air will be high pressure, 10 bar pressure. When the piston moves, 10 bar become 8 bar, 8 bar become 7 bar, 7 bar become 6 bar, keep on reduce. It has to come to less than 0 bar. Even though pressure comes, this will be high pressure. No, the words will compensate, right? Pressure varadu. Already high pressure irukku. Inlet valve will never opens. Inlet valve opens only when vacuum pressure. High pressure. I am trying to move downwards only. This high pressure expands. Expand the pressure loss takes place. Till vacuum pressure. till vacuum pressure. So even though the section has to take place here, but it never takes place here, it takes place here. The inlet valve opens there only. The inlet valve opens there only, which means from here to here, this expansion takes place. This expansion takes place. This is compression, this is expansion. Understood? This is expansion. After here, when the inlet valve opens, suction will take place. Now, suction, compression, deliver, expansion. So the entire diagram now becomes changed. The entire diagram becomes changed. So these are difference between with the clearance volume, without clearance volume. I'll tell you, you need large quantity of air or small quantity of air in delivery. In delivery, you need large quantity of air or small quantity of air. See, I'll tell you two things. I'll tell you, okay? One thing, the delivery air is minimized due to clearance volume. Yes or no? One thing, the delivery air is reduced due to clearance volume. The other thing, to expand this gas, we have to give work on the system. Again, we are expanding this gas, right? We are expanding this. We are expanding this, right? We have to give some work on the system. Even though from here to here, a large section, more amount of air will come inside the cylinder. But from here to here section, a small quantity of air will come to the cylinder. See the drawbacks. So now tell me, with the clearance is best one or without clearance is best one? Without clearance is best one, which give high volumetric efficiency. I'll tell you what is by volumetric efficiency in next class. Which give high volumetric, the more air will come out, better than the filled inside. But even though we cannot avoid keeping clearance volume. Why, sir? Clearance volume is necessary. Which means when the piston moves upwards during the compressor stroke, delivery stroke, okay? When it hits the cylinder head, no, the head will fly. Got it? It will damage very easily. Your head will damage very easily. Your head will get damaged very easily. So to give cushioning effect, what we call cushioning effect to the head as well as inlet valve, exhaust valve. Inlet valve, exhaust valve, we have to use minimum clearance volume. So that is the purpose of only we are using clearance volume. Only to give cushioning effect to the cylinder head. Otherwise, we don't use clearance volume at all. We don't use clearance volume. Which is without clearance is more efficient than the with the clearance. Then why should I go for the without clearance? Got it? Understood? Any doubts here? The entire formula same. I'm not going to change any formula. This is 1, 2. We'll take this is 3. This is 4. Okay? I'm not going to change the same. This is A. This is B. Okay? I'm going to erase everything. Okay? I'm going to erase everything. Very simple. 2 minutes I'll complete. Just 2 minutes. The entire equation we will write. Okay, I will take this equation. This equation for, I know very well, last class I have seen this equation for area 1 to AB. I'm right? I'm right? This equation is for the area 1 to AB. Right? Yes or no? Do you have any doubts? No. Now I write for this work input area 1 to AB minus 3BA4. We get that area, right? You will get only, because we are going to discuss about only this area. We are going to discuss about only this area, right? We are going to discuss only, see, 1 to AB, this area, minus this area will give this area. You cannot do no two process. Pressure compressor pressure you cannot do that. Because since I already derived equation for this type of area, remember that this type of area, this type of compression, pressure, expansion, this type of area, I can use this equation. Which means the W is equal to N by N minus 1, MR T1, P2 by P1 whole power, N minus 1 by N minus 1. For this area, tell me what this area, minus N by N minus 1, MR what? T4. MR T4. Instead of P2 we go for P3 divided by P4. n minus 1 by n minus 1. So your P3 is equal to, check the P3 is equal to P2. The P4 is equal to P1. Both are same. Then both are same. N by n minus 1 same. N by n minus 1 same. M is same. R is same. M is same. R is same. Only one change what? MR. Oh, sorry. The M is not same. The M is not same. Since for here the delivery is different. But this delivery is different than this delivery. So M is not same. Which means this is our M1. This is our M4. But T1, T4 are same. T1, T4 are same. Now that's we can read this equation. N by n minus 1, M1 minus M4 or T1, P2 by P1 whole power n minus 1 divided by n minus 1. This is for what? This is for B.Tech clearance volume. Only change this M. There we have what? There we have what? Only M1. Here we have M1 minus M4. The mass will vary. The mass will vary. So here we have MRT. You write the same equation in terms of n by n minus 1, P V1 minus V4, P2 by P1 whole power n minus 1 divided by n minus 1. Both equation can be used. If you know temperature, use this. If you know volume, use this. Got it? Got it? So this is the difference between with the clearance, without clearance. If in exams they ask, there is the equation for the without clearance, with the clearance volume. What you have to do? You have to derive that equation. Then have to come here, derive this equation.